DocSavy is a cloud-based document storage and business management system. It not only makes sense of business data, it converts documents to a format which can be quickly viewed, downloaded, and most importantly allows the system to be used efficiently from any location. To help make sense of it all, DocSavy attaches uploaded items to docs. Docs are the business data for the attached item or group of items. The business data will be different depending on the doc class. DocSavy has doc classes for transactions, purchase orders, supplier invoices, payment applications, warranty certificates, periods, or simple generic docs. DocSavy stores the docs in folders that have their own business data. DocSavy has a folder class for assets, buildings, employees, projects, relationships, or simple generic folders. The generic data that is available in Docs is also used in folders. In DocSavy, users can see and edit things depending on the roles the users are assigned to on a folder and the way the type is set up in the system. These roles combined with the business data can create some powerful processes. A status can be set to show an invoice in a roles inbox for approving or paying. A period class doc can be set to show in a roles inbox when a license needs renewing. Users can send messages or ask questions about docs or folders that will also show in the inbox. A user can associate any doc or folder to any other doc or folder. The inbuilt audit system records who did what and when they did it, providing a full history for quality assurance. Navigation within DocSavy is an intuitive and fast viewer that makes it simple to find docs or folders. Navigation is often used to create lists of business data. Navigation has a tree on the left and a list of docs on the right, much like Microsoft's Explorer. Unlike Explorer, there are no folders shown in the right pane. The list of docs is a list of docs that are in the selected folder or beneath the selected node in the tree. Every column has a filter box that can be used to further refine the list. Everywhere there are a list of values, DocSavy sums the values at the bottom of the column. Navigation has tabs to show docs by class, allowing the system to show the business data that is available for that class. DocSavy also provides logs. Logs are a way of managing one type of doc or folder. A log has a tree and a list of business data that is grouped into tabs for each status in the type's life cycle. It also has a compact editor for the selected doc or folder. You can use logs to manage change order requests, buildings with periodic maintenance contracts, current projects, and any doc or folder type. A life cycle can take many forms. For example, a folder for a project could have the following life cycle statuses: request for proposal, bid, 1, in progress, build out, and finished. A life cycle for a proposal doc could be sent, received, accepted, and rejected. Lifecycle are used in many ways in DocSavy, from implementing process to value allocation, or even visibility of the doc or folder and all the docs that the folders contain. DocSavy also has a system that is used to categorize the values of docs depending on the type and where it is in its life cycle. These values are totaled by category and displayed in the folder log. These totals will display all the outstanding orders, accounts payable, accounts receivable, and many more values for each folder. DocSavy is a database, so data only needs to be entered once and is referenced everywhere it is used. This data can be contacts, assets, or any other type of data needed in the system. Using familiar names and processes helps users transition to a new system quickly and easily. Setting up DocSavy involves using doc and folder classes to build types. The names, life cycles, processes, and permissions should all be set to reflect existing company names and processes. The hardest aspect about using DocSavy is understanding all the great things that you can do when you manage your data well. There is no doubt that using a new system or moving from an existing system can seem daunting. The trick with DocSavvy is not trying to master it all at once. Pick one of the features you need and keep it simple. Once you've mastered that, add a little more, one step at a time. Before you know it, you will be making the best possible use of all your documents through DocSavvy.